We're here. Where are we at, you guys?
Dollar Tree.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Do you all shop at Dollar Tree for household items? If you're not, well, you should, because they have a lot of good stuff. I know that Dollar Tree raised their price to $1.25 a couple of years ago, and it deterred a lot of people from wanting to shop at Dollar Tree. Believe me, I was with you too. I did not like the 25-cent increase, but I'm telling you, girl, if you haven't been into Dollar Tree in a while, they have really stepped up their game, and they have a lot of things that are really affordable and very good quality that will save you a couple of bucks. I browsed through the aisles and I went through all of the household items that you might be interested in getting. Keep in mind that this is a very small store. I live in a very small community. We're lucky we even have a Dollar Tree. Our Dollar Tree is still pretty new, so they don't have as many items as, say, maybe yours if you have a large Dollar Tree, which is even better for you because when you walk into your store, maybe you'll find some more things that I didn't find. It's kind of busy right now. Every single time that we go to Dollar Tree, there's some kind of seasonal something going on. Right now it's Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day. So when you first walk in through the store, the first thing you see is all of the Valentine's Day stuff. I forgot about Valentine's Day, to be completely honest with you, and I forgot that we needed to get cards for the kids. But we did manage to find a few things that were left. It was very slim pickings. So even though we went for just household items, you cannot help yourself but stop by that seasonal section. Servingware and baskets, trays, little Valentine's Day gift bags. What are those? Fortune cookies? What do you do with those? Oh, they have fortunes in them. That's cute. Don't forget your bags. That's a cute bag right there. They're all cute.
Yeah, they're all cute.
That's a nice little bag. I love the colors. Gotta get a scarf because I'm gonna do a Valentine's Day baking video. I'm gonna need one of these. I'm gonna pick this one because these are my favorite colors. How cute is that? And it's real glass even. That's kind of cool. It's a collapsible car trunk organizer. $5. They have a steering wheel tray. I don't really eat in my car though. I'm trying to find those bins that look like acrylic containers to organize with, but I don't see any. This is where they were last time. Okay, here we go. We need some loofahs.
Oh, I want one.
Pick out one for you
This one.
and Christian. And then Jonathan needs one too.
Are these marshmallows?
They look like marshmallows, but they're just little sponges. I should get one for me and Dad too, since we're here.
This should be yours.
You want me to get the purple one?
Yeah.
The Silly Scents from Crayola. I didn't even know that they had these. Oh, they have them in Hot Wheels and they have them in Barbie too.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I should have got the Barbie.
And they have different types of flossers. Is this where I get yours? Oh, right here. Do you guys need any of these?
No.
No? You guys still have some?
We have a lot.
Okay, so they have the flossers and Hot Wheels also. They have those ones up there.
Do you have the Squishmallow?
It's a pretty good deal. Squishmallow? Is that what these are right here?
Yeah.
That's cool. Hand and body foam soap.
Isn't this like Christian's little panda?
Mm-hmm. That's interesting.
But in wiener dog form?
That's so cute. And they also have finger paint.
Bath paint.
Yeah. They have a bunch of like bath bombs. Really cute little shapes.
Santa came
That's
here
cute.
to get us the
Well, they have these here too. And it actually has a good amount
look,
of
they have a body sponge.
tape in there. I'm going to grab a couple of these.
They have a body
I need some more. I'm going to grab a few of these. They don't have the felt ones like these ones, but actual hangers, they don't have any more of those.
Oh, those hangers.
Okay, this is what we really came for. I like to buy these. These are really good. You get 9 of them. So I'm just going to grab one because I don't need very many. They also have reusable gloves, but these ones never fit me. I like the latex ones. These ones are more like the rubber ones, but they never fit. They do have them in different sizes. This one's medium and this one is large. They had them in small. which it doesn't look like they have. I would totally try them, but they don't have them in my size.
See all
I
the
actually
scrubbers.
really like these. These work very well,
Yeah.
especially for the bathtub. They have the Scrub Daddy thing, it's the Scrub Buddies brand. I don't know how well these work, but there's an option, and they even come with extra refills. But I still think that the Scrub Daddies are better. These don't have a really good grip to them. Okay, so this looks interesting. I might try this for the shower.
What is that?
Kind of want to try that, but you have to buy the handle and the head separately. So I swear by these. I use these all of the time. I use them in my bathroom, in my kitchen. They also have these. So this comes in a pack of 8. This comes in a pack of 10. They're pretty much the same thing, only it's the Scrub Buddies brand. I'm very interested in trying it out to see if it's as good as these. Not because you get 2 extra. I'm just curious how well they work. I also really like their Scrub Buddies magic erasers. They only come with 2 pieces. When I used to buy these, they came in a pack of 3. You got an extra one for free. This time they don't. They only come in a pack of 2. But they're still really good, and they're just as good as the name brand. But if you do swear by the name brand, they actually do have them, but they only sell them by the 1 piece. For some reason, this is kind of like calling my name, but I'm not sure if it would really work because it doesn't really, I don't know. It's cool because you can remove these and they sell them separately, so you can buy them to refill them. And I thought maybe I could use them in the corners, like when I clean my bathroom and I'm dusting the floor or like cleaning the floor where the mop can't get. It has like this corner edge to it. I thought maybe that might help, but like I said, it doesn't really have much of a scrub to it. It's more of like a soft pad. And it does look like it acts like a 2-in-1, so it has like a squeegee on it as well. Oh yeah, it's a 2-in-1 mop head. I'm gonna pass, but I do think it's pretty cool. They also have these, but I don't know where the head is, like where you buy the head. I don't see it. They have the microfiber mop pad, and then they also have this one that's in gray. This would come in handy, I think. And then this is like a soft microfiber. They even have these. These are duster refills. I'm guessing they fit on this. So you could take this off and you could fit them on here, which is pretty cool. Okay, so this is something interesting. It cleans water bottles, coffee tumblers, beverage containers, thermoses, and more. My husband is a big collector of these kind of things. I don't know if it's nonsense or not, but I am curious to see how this would work, so I'm going to try those. One thing I don't see are those coffee pot cleaners. I don't see any of them, so they ran out, but they still do have these carpet odor eliminators, and I really like these. The smell is really nice, so I'm going to grab a couple. Oh, they just moved them. They're right here. Okay, so this worked really well. My husband was actually really surprised on how well these work, so I'm going to grab another one. Well, that's kind of cool. Look, they have glass cleaner concentration pods where you stick them in water bottles and then or not water bottles, but spray bottles, and you just add water and you can make your own glass cleaner. Don't forget about these dishwasher cleaners. These ones are really good as well. Ooh, they're all stocked up in my colors, but where's my dish rags? They have the oven mitts, but they don't have my dishcloths. Oh, here they are. They do have them, yay. I swear by these. I love them. I love them for the value, and I love because they have 2 sides. They have the scouring side, and then they have the soft side. I love them both. Okay, so these are actually really cool. I don't ever buy these because I have a little system at home where you put the roll in and you can cut it. But I think it's cool that they have these. They also have them in wax paper. But what I really do like are these. The parchment squares. I love these, and you get 100 of them for $1.25. Ooh, look at that. Microwave steam bags. That is calling my name. I'm gonna get them. How many do you get? You get 6 bags.
What about this one?
That's cool.
These.
Yes, you know, we should try these because there is times when my husband takes lunch and he doesn't have a lid for his Tupperware. This might come in handy. And then I was looking at these as well. These are storage bags. Oh, but these are not, are they for kitchen? I was thinking for like veggies for the refrigerator, but I don't think that's what I'm going to have to come back and see if they bring back those acrylic containers. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I don't know, but I feel like we walked the entire store. Not everything that I saw in store did I buy. I didn't pick up everything, but I did buy 37 items at a total of $49.83. And there was a few things that I didn't even show you on camera. One of them is this headband. I know I already took the tag off, but it is the Skintimate brand. It has the logo right on the side. And I used their shaving cream, so I was like, wow, this is a name brand item. And I've been needing something like this to help me while I'm doing my makeup. It pulls your hair back, it fits very snug, it's nice and comfortable, and it's pretty. I like the color. So I grabbed one of these. They have a blue and a pink one. And I did show you guys this in store. These are the Valentine's Day cards. This is the Spider-Man ones. This pack only comes with a pack of 18, but these ones are a little bit more luxurious, I guess. So there's 1, 2, 3 sheets, and let me get better lighting here. So these pictures move as you change the angle. Isn't that kind of cool? Let's look at this one. Wow. Kids go crazy for stuff like this. And then on the back you could write to and from. So I did have to get 2 packs for my son so that he had enough for his entire class. But my daughter, she picked out the frozen ones and hers come with 48, but these are more standard. They do come with 8 card designs and they come with 48 stickers. I'm so glad that I found these because, like I said, I forgot about Valentine's Day. So I was like, oh crap, we need to get something for them. So this is how they come. They come in a sleeve and you just tear them. They come serrated, so all you have to do is pull them apart. It has the to and the from on the back side. And then it comes with a pack of stickers. I'm guessing you just put the stickers right on, like on the back when you go to sign them. So every time that I go to the Dollar Tree, I like to take my kids with me. I give them an option to pick 1 or 2 items depending on what my budget is. And usually my daughter likes to get their coloring books, especially like the upcoming seasonal options, because these ones give you a few pages more. Whereas if you go down the aisle with all the coloring books and stuff, their activity books are very, very small. So she always looks forward to getting the coloring books. This one is the Easter one, Paw Patrol. And she's already started coloring in it. The kids love this kind of stuff, you know, and whatever gets them off of their games, I will buy them this stuff. Also, I will show you footage of 2 little cars that my son made that you get in the toy section. So just like the little cars that we bought at Dollar Tree that were Legos, or like blocks, right, that you put together. We also found these. These ones are only $1.25. The car ones that we bought them for Christmas, they were $5. But these are fun. These are so fun for kids his age because he gets to actually build them. And it took you, what, like an hour to build it?
Yeah.
And it comes with like a little screwdriver and a little wrench and a bunch of like pieces, and he gets to build it himself. This is your little instructions manual?
Yep.
For
that was the car. And this one is crane.
The crane. Yeah. He likes them. They're fun. And you said there's like 4 different types?
There's like 4 different types. Well, I know there's a couple more. Just there's big ones too. There's
big ones too? Okay, we're going to have to go back and see if we can find some more. But this one is the crane, and this one is the race car. That's pretty cool, Christian. You did a really good job. But you said this one came with an extra piece?
Yep. And this one also came with an extra
This one also
screw.
came with an extra piece too?
Yeah.
Like a screw?
Yeah.
Okay, so you didn't miss anything?
No.
Okay. But that is pretty much it for Dollar Tree. I did head over to Dollar General, and I have some bonus footage for you.
Ba-do, ba-do, ba-do,
acrylic bins here, or it looks like acrylic bins, that I could try to organize my baker's closet with. They have them in different sizes, but they're kind of pricey, like
$5, $3, and $7.
I'm not sure if these are the right prices though, but this does say Fresh Start Clear Bin $3, so I'm guessing it's this one, and then this one is $7.50. These ones must be $5. It's just too expensive for me, I think.
$3 these ones?
Yeah, for one, it seems like a lot. So I found some gloves for $1. You get 6 of them. I wish I knew what size they were. Maybe, oh, it says one size fits all. They have latex gloves in white, so one size fits all, and then they have the household gloves that are in size medium. So these are actually cheaper than Dollar Tree by 25 cents. In fact, this entire section is $1 for a bunch of like household cleaning supplies. They have a dusting mitt, sponges or scrubbing pads,
Dusters.
oh, they even have these, and this one has like a point on it, so it's probably easier to get into corners of things. But the scrubber itself is very soft in comparison to the Dollar Trees. There's more dollar stuff. You could actually get like dish soap in different brands. They have dryer sheets, bags, like trash bags. That's for in-wash scent boosters. Laundry detergent, you only get 12 or 10. They have decent options here. And it goes all the way down to the end of the aisle. I will be including my Dollar General haul with my Stater Brothers haul in my upcoming video, so stay tuned for that if you are interested in that. Other than that, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe here if you're new. But yeah, that is it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!